Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Glossybox, which I think I got yesterday, but
it's the first box of the month that we're
just
getting.
too busy.
And we just wanted to say a thank you to all of our supporters and viewers and subscribers who entered our recent contest. We're going to do another one probably in like a week. So so stay tuned.
I'll treat these nicer and I'll just set them next to me instead of chucking them. So the box is very cute. Yay!
Very Valentine's Day themed. Yay! You know how I like my themes.
Okay.
That's why I'm wearing like this today.
Oh, if I can get it out. Okay.
And heart earrings. Okay. They're kind of hard to see.
Yeah, so again, looks like that. It's very pretty.
And while she's opening that, some of my subscriptions I was going to maybe cancel or change, so I'll keep you guys posted on what I do.
So the inside looks like that.
With those.
Feels very light, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm going to untie the bow. Okay. And then theirs is the one, right, that went on to doing it digitally, the little card thing. So
I can't read anything about this.
I could have probably re-looked it up, but I didn't. Okay. So this first thing is St. Lux Lip Liner Duo. Does it say what colors? I don't know.
It doesn't say if you want me to hold this stuff as you pull it out, but
you think I should open it? Well, that's what the front looks like.
I know, I don't even know what.
And then maybe I should show what colors are inside if I can. Oh, well, geez. Oh, okay, well. So those are the two.
It's kind of nice that you got like two.
Yeah,
that's cool. I like lip liners. It's like the only thing I wear. It's like lip liner, lipstick, and a CC cream normally.
There's that. And then the second thing I'm pulling out is Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. Again, is ATH the color? I don't know if that's what the front looks like. And I guess if you want it in a slightly different language. Should I take this one out too?
Sure.
Oops. I'm gonna have to keep it.
I know, we try not to damage anything or open anything if it goes in the giveaway, but see, I don't know. I don't wear lip glosses.
Well, I guess this one doesn't even have to be shipped necessarily in a box, but yeah, I guess ATH is the color, right? I guess.
It's pretty. I just don't wear lip glosses. I'm like.
And then the next thing I'm pulling out is Bella Pierre Cosmetics highlighter and eyeshadow. So this I probably would, I mean, I could definitely wear it like as an eyeshadow, but I probably would just put it in a giveaway. That way someone wanted to use it as a highlighter. Because that's going to be more like a bronzer, I think, for my face. Do you think? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the next thing is Figs and Rouge, I think. Wonder Love Charm Glow Elixir. I'm all like looking at it like, oh. Is it like a little droplet thing that you add to?
I know, that's what I was thinking. I don't tend to use those either. I'm like, darn it.
Oh.
I mean, if it's just like a serum, that'd be
yeah, kind of, because it just goes before your makeup.
Oh,
that's interesting. Okay. I think the last thing, because this only comes with 5, right, is OK's Hydrating Gold Gel Lip Mask Gold Edit. Gold Edition.
I've been trying to use masks, but
Gold Honey Chamomile Extract is what the back says. I know, and I have problems with my lips, so I'm like, maybe that'll help them. I don't know. Anyway, that was it for this one, I think, right?
Yeah, that's a pretty.
And this one I think is still like 22.84 maybe, 22.84, something like that.
I never know. That's one of the boxes I want I never get. But if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about all of our future giveaways, like the one we'll probably do in a week or so. And we'll catch you in our next one.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.